Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Magcubic HY300 Auto Keystone Correction Portable Projector. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The Freestyle Projector. Magcubic latest HY300 projector features unique exterior design and high-chip A3100. Equipped with 1 GB plus 8 GB ROM storage, it can stream movies, shows, live sports and music from your phone or laptop. Built-in 3 watts hi-fi speakers. 2.4/5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 video projector. Magcubic HY300 portable projector equipped with latest 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, with higher transmission rate and lower latency. A few seconds will be wirelessly synchronized to get a big screen. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 chip, the projector allows you to connect the ideal Bluetooth speaker/headphone at any time and save every detail of the sound effect to offer you different sound scenes. Not support to connect smartphone, laptops Bluetooth. Auto Keystone Correction. The HY300 mini projector adopts manual focus and auto keystone correction technology, built-in high-precision sensor, detects real-time movement and focuses faster and more accurately. Please use manual focus after the projector boots up. Auto keystone correction can automatically correct the image up and down. The left and right cannot adjusted. Multifunctional smart projector. This versatile, intelligent miniature theater projector is easy to take anywhere. With a stand that rotates 180 degrees, you can position your image from floor to ceiling where you want it. The Freestyle gives you the flexibility to view your favorite images on the large 130-inch screen. Support 4K/720p FHD home theater projector. With 1280x720 native resolution, 10,000:1 high dynamic contrast ratio, and support full HD 4K videos. Magcubic HY300 mini projector also has 50% zoom function and lower noise to 25 decibels, ensure an impressive sound environment. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.